In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and get started with Elementor to build stunning pages on your WordPress website. If you're looking to enhance your site's design without the need for extensive coding knowledge, Elementor is a great tool to consider. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log in into your WordPress dashboard. If your site is hosted on Hostinger, you'll use the credentials associated with your website. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the WordPress dashboard, which serves as the control center for everything related to your website. From here, the world of customization is at your fingertips, so let's make the most of it. Next, navigate to the Plugins menu on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Plugins are amazing tools that can expand the capabilities of your WordPress site significantly. Once you're in the Plugins section, you'll want to click on Add New. Picture this as your gateway to thousands of functionalities ready to be incorporated into your site to provide additional features and options with ease. In the search bar on the top right corner of the Add Plugins page, type in Elementor. Elementor is one of the most popular page builders, and for a good reason. It offers a user-friendly interface which allows you to drag and drop elements to create custom pages that reflect your vision perfectly. Once you've typed in Elementor, take a moment as WordPress pulls up the related results from the plugin repository. Scroll through and find the Elementor page builder, developed by Elementor.com, which should be pretty prominent. When you find it, go ahead and click Install Now. Installing a plugin is the beginning of unlocking its features and integrating them into your workflow. After the installation process, which only takes a few seconds, you'll notice the button changes to Activate. The next step is crucial. By clicking Activate, you are essentially turning on the plugin and making it ready for use. This is akin to flipping a switch to let power flow. Activating it means the features are fully operational and at your disposal. Now that Elementor is activated, you're all set to start building pages. In your WordPress dashboard, you'll see an option for Elementor or a button inviting you to edit with Elementor on your pages. Go ahead and click on that. This takes you to the Elementor editor interface, where you can choose from a variety of widgets and templates to create visually appealing and highly functional web pages. And there you have it. You've just added a powerful tool to your website with minimum effort. I hope you find this guide helpful as you embark on building beautiful, custom pages with Elementor. Remember, the possibilities for your site's design are as wide as your imagination. Happy designing, and enjoy exploring what Elementor has to offer.